Friends, there are many things around us that we cannot see with our naked eyes. For instance, do you know what the surface of a mosquito bite or an injection site looks like under a microscope? Or did you know that ants look no less than monsters when viewed under a microscope? Do you know what the famous yogurt bacteria, lactobacillus, actually looks like up close? And can you even imagine how human sperm appears under a microscope? So friends, in today's video, we will explore such things with the help of a microscope, and trust me, it will blow your mind. Number 15. You step on garden grass every day without giving it much thought, but after seeing this grass under a microscope, you might feel like befriending it because the grass appears to be smiling at you. This view under the microscope is incredibly satisfying. The grass looks as if it's welcoming you into the garden. If you could see this with your naked eye every day, their beautiful smiles might automatically lift your mood. Number 14. The human tongue looks quite smooth and helps us taste food. But have you ever wondered what it would look like under a microscope? Let's take a look. When you observe the tongue under a microscope, you'll notice small raised structures resembling thorns. Zooming in further, the tongue resembles underwater plants on the ocean floor. These raised bumps, or papillae, are your taste buds, which also create unique tongue prints for every individual. Number 13. No matter how small an injection needle may seem, most people still fear getting injections. But have you ever looked at a needle under a microscope or examined the spot where the needle was inserted? Seeing the needle under a microscope will surely surprise you. Under magnification, the needle appears large with a hole at its tip through which medicine enters the body. While the puncture isn't visible to the naked eye, examining it under a microscope reveals a large hole that might scare you. Number 12. Did you know that skin mites live on your face? Yes, these mites aren't visible to the naked eye, but under a microscope you can easily spot them. As shown in the picture, mites have elongated bodies with leg-like protrusions at the front. Having skin mites is normal and harmless, though imbalances in the immune system may lead to skin issues like acne or redness. In medical terms, they're called demodex, and their job is to remove dead skin cells. Number 11. Mosquitoes may appear small and harmless, but they are incredibly dangerous. Diseases like dengue and malaria spread through mosquito bites. Under a microscope, the intricate details of a mosquito's body become evident. Its needle-like mouth pierces the skin to suck blood. Initially, it looks like a simple needle, but once inside the body, multiple parts emerge to draw maximum blood. Mosquito legs also have spiky protrusions. So far, nearly 3,000 species of mosquitoes have been discovered, and their differences are clearly visible under a microscope. Number 10. An eggshell seems smooth and plain to the naked eye, but under a microscope, it appears complex and strange. The shell resembles a maze, somewhat like something out of Tom and Jerry, doesn't it? Number 9. Ants are found everywhere except Antarctica. Though they seem small and innocent, under a microscope, they look quite menacing. As seen in the microscopic image, an ant's face appears bizarre and terrifying. Their eyes look like small black beads, and their face resembles a devilish creature from a movie. There are about 12,000 species of ants, and their differences are clearly visible under a microscope. Number 8. Human eyes are one of the most beautiful parts of the body. But do you know what they look like under a microscope? As shown in the video, the structure of the human eye is highly complex. At first glance, it might resemble a donut, but upon closer inspection, it looks like a black hole in the universe because the pupil is essentially a hollow space. The pupil's function is to allow light into the eye and focus it on the retina. Number 7. Observing your own skin under a microscope is truly a new experience. Human skin has multiple layers, and with a microscope, you can clearly see the outermost layer, called the epidermis. Skin that looks smooth to the naked eye is actually full of patterns. Zooming in further, you can even see sweat emerging from your pores. Number 6. Since 3rd grade, we've known that yogurt contains lactobacillus bacteria, but most of us haven't seen it. This bacteria can only be observed under a microscope. Yogurt contains moving bacteria that appear differently at various resolutions. If you could see these bacteria with the naked eye, you probably wouldn't enjoy eating yogurt as much. Number 5. Eyelashes serve an important purpose by protecting the eyes from dirt, dust, and small insects. Examining eyelashes under a microscope reveals that they can sometimes grow in both directions, requiring surgery in rare cases. Additionally, a parasite called mites resides on eyelashes, visible only under high-resolution microscopes, as shown in the video. Number 4. Before CFL bulbs, we used orange filament bulbs. Do you remember their structure? Under a microscope, these ordinary bulbs resemble futuristic city buildings. The glass looks like the outer boundary of buildings, and the internal structure resembles two skyscrapers connected by a spring-like escalator. This microscopic view is truly stunning, and could even be imagined as a house on another planet. Number 3. The pets you love and cuddle all day. Have you ever seen their fur under a microscope? Dog and cat fur appears like countless threads under magnification. If your pet has fleas, they'll look like tiny creatures clinging to the fur, causing itching. That's why regular grooming is essential for your pets. Number 2. Lipstick makes lips look beautiful, but its microscopic view is somewhat scary. Under a microscope, lipstick resembles a witch's bloody wall. Upon closer inspection, you'll realize that the material isn't as smooth as it appears in the stick. Fact number 1. Have you ever seen a microscopic image of human sperm? In this picture, these tiny fish-like swimmers are male sperm, each capable of creating new life. They continuously move in this manner, striving to create new life. So friends, these were 15 amazing things from the microscopic world. Next time you look at something ordinary, remember that an entire world might be hidden within it. Would you like to learn about more microscopic wonders? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and share this video. See you in the next exciting episode.